Food and Beverage Expo.
We are from AKR Industries. We started way back from 1994. We are in this disposable line. Now we are introducing ourselves as a coffee coffee suppliers. We will be supplying the tea and coffee to the vendors, and we are supplying the kiosks also. We are in this field for more than 20 years, and we are supplying the paper cup machines for past 25 years, and now we are coming out with the coffee and tea vending machines. This is our kiosk, what we are introducing in the market for the coffee. Okay, Kaldi's Coffee is our brand we are promoting with the kiosk, and this is totally made out of stainless steel and totally electrical operated coffee, tea vending machines and milk boilers, everything is included, fridge, oven, everything is included on that. Okay, we are selling the brand in the name of Kaldi's, and we are promoting the coffee and tea to the franchise type, and we are supplying the coffee powder and tea powders. This is the first time in India we are promoting like a kiosk in the market.
Food and Beverage Expo, 21st, 22nd and 23rd June, 2023 Manpo Convention Center, Bengaluru.